Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will show you how to add a coupon code to your Boma account. If you are on monthly billing, you will be able to apply a coupon code for a discount should you ever acquire one. Let me show you how to do this. On the dashboard, click on Settings, and then click on the Billing submenu. In here, click on Switch Plan. Once clicked, the annual plan will automatically be selected as you are on monthly billing. Make sure to switch this back to monthly billing by clicking the toggle here. You will then see a text box called Coupon appear. This is where you can enter the code so that your billing account is updated with the discount of the coupon. If you would like to learn more about coupon codes, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or use the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thanks so much, and bye for now.